Hi again, it's ApriLynn, and today we're doing some cooking, because you know, like ApriLynn cooking. Does that rhyme? ApriLynn cooking. We are going to be making Korean styled corn dogs. I'm very excited. I've been wanting to try these forever. I actually saw this recipe on TikTok. And that's what we're going to be following, a recipe from TikTok. I'll link the full recipe below. And we need a potato, and we're going to dice it up into small cubes and peeled, and soak it in very hot water for 1 hour. I wonder if very hot water is like boiling. Should I like make some boiled water in my little kettle? Okay, I got the potatoes in the hot water. That has to sit in there for 1 hour. So now we're going to prepare the batter, because that has to also sit for an hour. So I'm going to add sugar and yeast into my warm water and let it sit for a few minutes till the yeast dissolves. And then add my salt and flour. I think I need to double this, because this is for three hot dogs, and I'm making more than 3. A cup of warm water, 4 tablespoons of yeast. Wait, nope, sorry. A cup and 4 tablespoons of warm water, 2 teaspoons of yeast. 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Broken dreams in my pocket, golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, 'cause you caught it.
Now we're gonna add 2 cups of flour and half a teaspoon of salt.
Street light at the end, so I could show you you're golden, honestly you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine, just so that I could show you you're golden. Yeah, you're golden.
Now we're gonna cover this with a towel for an hour to rise. While that's doing that, we're gonna skewer our wieners. These are the hot dogs we're using. Should I make all of them? Yeah, probably. Be quiet! That was you. The recipe says wooden chopsticks, but I just got these because I couldn't find chopsticks. She did 2 slices of cheese per ween. And squeeze. This is gonna be crumbly. I don't know how well this is gonna work. Maybe I should do provolone. I let this provolone sit out for a minute so it's soft and pliable. Then we'll do that. So I'll see you in a minute. The softer cheese definitely stays together better, but it's still kind of not staying on. So we'll see how well they stay. If the cheese, I recommend getting bigger cheese. My cheese isn't quite big enough to like that one stayed good because it wraps better. Now we just gotta wait. Okay, potatoes are done soaking. I rinsed them off and patted them dry. Now we have to put 1 table of cornstarch and some salt, and toss the potatoes in there until they're coated. Okay, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I have my oil on the burner getting ready to be heated, or getting heated. Salt. Pinch of salt. Potatoes. Looks like apples. I'm just gonna use my hands. I'm taking a cookie sheet and laying my potatoes out on it and my panko breadcrumbs. Okay, in about 10 minutes we're gonna dip the hot dogs in the batter and then roll in the stuff. Okay, see you in 10 minutes. Okay, we're on to the making portion. I had a little mishap and I had to move my dough into a different pan or bowl because I forgot that it's gonna like increase in volume and it overflowed. I'm done. Okay, let's try this. Here's the dog. Okay, it says this is not tall enough is the problem. Maybe I'll put it in a cup. What do I do with this wiener? So to do like a twisting motion. This doesn't seem very thick. Hopefully I didn't mess it up by transferring it to a new container. My cheese is sliding off my wiener. This is a mess. This is a big bad mess. Okay. Dunk it. Twist it. Pop it, lock it, polka dot it. How am I supposed to get this out? Oh, okay. Dude, that is heavy. Okay. Hopefully my oil is ready. Now, potatoes first.
Hand in the darkness, summer heat, bodies laid on the carpet. Eye to eye, glistening, no, I saw it. I saw it. You're golden, honestly, you know it. Me under the street light at the end, so I could show it. You're golden.
This is a mess. I feel like this is a disaster. We're just gonna fry this. It's not gonna turn out good, I know. Woo! Maybe it will. It doesn't actually look too bad. some of the cheese squirted out because it didn't cover very well. Okay.
You just took the cone dome off of there.
I know. Why do you think I yelled? This is hard.
Oh jeez. Oh lord. Oh my gosh, it's messy. Your things are not going well.
Yeah, you
Please,
think?
please don't scream.
But look at the one I made.
Ooh, that one looks good.
The cheese is coming off.
You gotta wrap the cheese real tight like this.
Okay, you squeeze the cheese more on. More on it, not more on. I'm making a big fat mess. Okay, the potatoes don't like to stick, but whatever. Quicker picker-upper.
Honestly, you go right under the mess and then just so that I could show you you're golden. Hey, you're golden. You're golden. Hey, you're golden. Golden. You're golden.
This is really messy. Okay, maybe this one will be better. Probably not. Actually, that one looks fine. Ugh, it's a little scary putting it in the oil. And then my hands are filthy. Beauty. Okay, after this one's done, we're gonna test it. And then I'm gonna finish making them. Look it, they're beautiful. Okay, it says top with sugar, ketchup, and mustard. Ketchup. Mustard. Okay, let's taste this. Jacob,
What?
you want a taste test?
Yes.
Chopstick. I see why she used chopsticks because these skewers are flimsy. What are you doing?
Hold on, I gotta grab it.
Why are you being a weirdo?
Put my head on.
Okay. No, get your own.
You said to try it. Need some more ketchup here.
This is just for a tester. You want more ketchup?
No, my stick's breaking.
Yeah,
Need a
these
bigger
sticks.
stick.
These sticks aren't strong enough. Cheers.
Touch our sausage.
Oh, don't forget there's a stick inside of your wiener. Inside of your hot dog. That's so good. Panko bread on the outside is a good choice. It makes it so crispy.
Panko, bro.
Panko breadcrumbs.
Very good. That's good soup. Messy good soup.
Definitely messy, but delish.
Definitely could use a bigger stick.
Yeah, she said to use chopsticks, but I couldn't find chopsticks.
Oh, chopsticks. That makes so much sense. Choppy, sticky, makey, sensey.
Cheese ball.
Yum. That's very good.
Okay, I'm gonna go finish making these. And I'll eat them. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye now. Bye bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye now. Bye bye.